I'm cooking tilapia today for our lunch. So I already fried two of them. This is Makmak's project. He planted some okra and now it is sprouting. As you can see, it's pretty long right now. So I'm monitoring it every day, taking pictures for compilation. And guys, mamili kaming gamot dito sa NCMH Mandaluyong. Talagang pumunta kami dito kasi mas mura yung gamot ko dito. Ayan, ito yung place. NCMH. Pick up naman in the morning. Kain kami ni mama ng ramen. Ayan, ulit ko sa Las Piñas. Bisitahin yung tito ko. Ayan si mama at sa tito. Ini tito.
Hindi mo napupunta tayo nito, di ba?
Opo. Wala na yung barko doon. Malis na. Guys, may zoom in. Ito yung ginagawa ni Mayus. Made for me here at Tronics. Punta ko sa SM Supermarket. Muli lang ako ng essentials. Here at Dino Mix again. Sa ng baha dito sa amin sa Manila. Umaabot na sa loob ng bahay. Dito kami sa reception area ni EJ. Kakasal siya ngayon. Si EJ tsaka si Marion, pinsan ko. Yan, kasama namin sila dito at saka sila auntie. Kasi ano sila, Ninong at Nina. Malolos Bulacan. Kasal ni EJ and Marion today. Siyempre, may pa-video okay. So, I was able to put the skirt on Stella. And I just wanted to show you guys how it is. How it looks like. Dito kami sa PSK, nagpapagawa ng birth certificate. So kami guys, sa PSK, nag-apply ng passport. Here now at St. Peter's Chapels. Ito yung weight ni Tito Caperna. Hello everyone! Look, I was able to put some wallpaper where I usually crochet. That's my spot right there. And I also put up some paintings. So just a while ago I was able to pull that off. And it looks rather pretty. Don't you think so?
Kaya daw. Manila Memorial. Isang senior.
Lotion, bawal daw sabi niya. Yung lotion na malalaking
Ano? Ben, ginawa ni Kuya.
iwanan lahat yan masasay.
Tapos ano?
Sa shade lang siya.
Architect na lang, no?
That wallpaper is not enough for the whole of the wall, so I improvised with another wallpaper that I have. Although it is not really sticky, so I needed to put some tape on it.